So check this out. I built a robot that actually thinks. Yep. Like it's not just following some pre-programmed tests. It's making real decisions using AI. This is RoboRover, and it's running a large language model to figure out where to go. Here's what it's made of. Basically an ESP32 microcontroller, 4 wheels, obviously, and this little lidar sensor that shoots lasers to measure distance. There is also an IMU for balance stuff, this thing, and get this the ESP talks to my PC over Wi-Fi, so I can run the AI brain on my computer instead of the tiny chip. Okay, so here's the cool part. The rover does a 180-degree scan with the lidar, right, and sends the data to a Python application on my PC. So the bridge connects to the rover to my dedicated AI server, running Qwen 4 billion parameters on and this RTX 3070 with 8 GB VRAM. No cloud stuff. And this is my favorite part. Yeah, you can literally watch it think. Look at this response, reasoning widget, widest gap, 126 millimeters at 50-degree right is safe, turning to explore. So yeah, it talking to me, and AI explaining what it's doing in plain English. Everything running on my PC, no cloud, no subscription fees, just works. Okay, and now you can drive it manually straight from the browser and any device on your local network, phone, tablet, whatever. Last case. Yeah. Instant response, I would say. You get this radar visualization, this one, Wi-Fi strength here, and I don't know, temperature. Yeah, there is a sensors with temperature. It's all there. For the AI autonomous mode, so you need the Python application running. That's what bridges the rover to the AI server, and it's good safety built-in. If it tilts too much or crashes, the IMU just stops it. Pretty smart. So yeah, that's RoboRover, cheap hardware, real AI, pretty wild what you can build these days.